Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to deal about sea landforms, that is erosional type. Okay, in the last video we have covered depositional, right? Actually, deposition happens due to this erosion. After this erosion only this deposition happen, because after after disintegration of that rock, waves will carry and make a landform by depositing in some place. Okay, right? Next, first, first we will learn about headland. What is this headland? See, these are headlands. See how they are formed like this. This is top view, okay? But from side, if we look, they are like this. See, these are head rocks or headlines. Why they have formed? Why this syncline has formed here and anticline has formed? See, what happened is first this land was like this, but we know, right? Land system is not unique everywhere. Even here some kind of change will be there. So suppose here it is hard rock and this is soft rock. Hard, soft, hard, soft simultaneously. Suppose if waves strike this landform, what will happen? Which rock will get the most effect? That is soft, right? So what will happen to these things? Due to the sea waves, they become like this, right? Hard rocks are survived, so that is what we get the shape. That is due to soft rock. Fine. These are called, these kind of sea erosional deforms are called head rocks or headlands. Fine. Simple. Next. Okay, we will be covering this in the next. Okay, first we will do this thing. Okay. Okay, what is this head rock, right? Okay, see, in soft there will be a beach, right? Due to the erosion of that part, soft rock, and creating a beach. Okay, similarly, right, these these agents, that is sea wave, will be constantly moving, right? Due to how our waves are formed? Due to wind. So wind is present constantly in ocean, sea, right? They will be striking at the bottom of that hard rock or soft rock, creating a notch. First it creates notch, and after slowly the effect of the sea waves will increase and create a arc. Then after this, due to the no support, this platform will collapse and creating a stack. Simple, simple, right? This is a cycle. Sorry, this is the cycle, right? How stacks are formed. Fine. Next, next, this thing is important. Fine. How first, first actually that platform was like this. How, right? Like this. Right? Already told. There are two agents in sea. One is waves and other one is tides. Daily we witness two tides, right? Two tides, that is fall and rise of tides, right? Tides are nothing but rise and fall of sea water level. Okay, fine. So that's the reason you may get doubt how these sea waves are creating disturbance here. They are too high, right? How they are creating flat form. Suppose this is a high tide, complete thing will be filled with this water, and sea waves will be attacking this. Similarly, due to uh, spring wave, they will reach this much height. Suppose there is a low gravitational force, they will reach that level of sea will be till here, and with this the sea waves will attack this thing. See why these deforms are forming is combined effect of tide and waves. Okay, what did I say? Rise. This is rise, but there will be waves. This is rise. This is fall. Even then, there is a movement of waves, right, due to wind. But this tides are being affected by gravitation force. Waves are being affected by wind. So that is the reason the water is able to reach this much height. Okay, that is the reason these flat zones are created. Okay, and this erosion is being done. Okay, next, so you got a good idea how that water is reaching that much height due to tides. Okay, next, so this thing is very lay, right? Simple movement of that sea waves will create small notch. Okay, then thereafter creating and at last it will create some big arc, and slowly it will create a stack. Simple. And before forming of this cave, there is a notch created, small thing, right? And next a sea cave is created like this. Slowly this part will get separated. How? Like this. See, first it will start like this. This is a notch. Then after it becomes cave. Then after slowly it becomes arc, and then became stack. So it got separated from the whole mainland. Okay, guys, have you seen my deposition video? Then what is this? If is sand connecting two lands, what is that? Tombolo, right? I'm just questioning. Okay, tombolo, simple. This is beach. Fine. If land has only one sand bar, what is this? Sand spit, right? We have discussed it clear in the previous video, right? Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, try to comment in the comment box. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you. All the best.